much. This is too much. Like, I cannot.
It's everything. What is meant to be will be.
Hey everyone, what's up? Wanna be here. So I am back with another video today. But before we get in the video, make sure your post notifications are turned on so you do not miss an upload from your girl. And also make sure you follow me on my social media, my Instagram and Twitter at MonaXBank. Today is a little ranty rant video. I've been hearing about this little thing going around Instagram about Eco Styler gel. I'm gonna give my unpopular opinion about it, and I'm gonna keep it moving. Some of you guys may not agree with my opinion, and some of you guys probably will. But if you don't, that's fine. I don't really care. I'm just stating my opinion of the situation. So I have not watched any of the videos. I guess there's a thing going around about Eco Styler gel being terrible, being harmful to your hair. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my gosh. It's just so bad. You shouldn't be using it. All of this stuff. I don't know who made the videos, to be perfectly honest, and that's none of my business. But I did see a post on Instagram. When I was scrolling through my Instagram this morning, I saw this post, and it was talking about how Eco Styler gel is bad for your hair and that it's canceled, and a lot of natural hair women are going crazy saying they're not using it no more. Oh my gosh, everybody is just about to faint and pass out. I'm gonna go ahead and read what I saw. No, I'm not going to say where I saw the post at because I don't want to get into drama. That's not what I'm here for. But I definitely wanted to speak on it or whatever because, I mean, I don't know. I know you guys like when I speak on topics of this nature, so let's do it. So I guess apparently there's a bunch of ingredients that are not okay. I guess in the Eco Styler gel, and I actually did look on the back of my Eco Styler gel to make sure that what this post is saying is true, you know, to see if this ingredient is in it, and it is. So I don't know how to pronounce it, but everything will be in the description box. Wow, I went the whole day today without mascara, and I was wondering why I looked so bad. Okay, so I don't even know how to pronounce this stuff. I'm not even gonna act like I do. So the first one, it will be in the description box. Triethanolamine something, propane, I don't know, propane. It causes skin irritation, eye irritation, scalp irritation, inflammatory, itchy, watery eyes, dry and brittle hair, itchy skin. High usage of chemical causes liver and bladder cancers, I guess. It has a negative impact on your organs. It's also proven to mess up your immune system and respiratory system. It also has a full body allergen, and it's just cancerous, moral of the story. The second one is the sodium hydroxymethylglycinate, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a chemical that releases formaldehyde. Okay, so I'm gonna get on that formaldehyde situation in a minute, but this has formaldehyde in it, moral of the story. It can cause skin and eye irritation, affects respiratory system. It also smells really bad, but companies cover it up with other ingredients, blase blase. So yeah, it's just basically bad. Okay, so my opinion about it, because you guys know I love me some Eco Styler gel. I use Eco Styler gel in all of my hair tutorials. Am I going to stop using Eco Styler gel? No, I'm not going to stop using it. You know why I'm not going to start using it? Because majority, this is what gets me about the natural hair community, that annoys me so bad about the natural hair community. It annoys me. I'm just going to be honest. There's bad products in everything. Do you hear me? Your favorite natural hair line, product line, I'm not going to call names. I'm not going to call anyone out. But your favorite natural hair product line uses these chemicals and many other chemicals that we have no clue about. I'm going to just let that sit. Let that sit with y'all for a minute. Nothing is 100% natural unless you make it yourself, and even then, it's questionable. Unless you're going to go to the store or buy some seeds to plant you an aloe vera plant and make your own gel. And like I said, if you buy the aloe vera plant from the store, it's questionable. And if you grow it yourself, that's the only way. If you grow it yourself, plant your seeds, do a garden, grow it yourself, and make your own gel, buy flax seeds and make your own gel, That's the only way something is going to be 100% natural. But anything that you buy out of a jar or out of a container is going to have some chemicals that are at risk for the human race that can cause cancer, skin irritation. Point blank, period. And not even talking about hair products, the things that you eat. A lot of the things like the formaldehyde thing, I don't know if y'all noticed, but a lot of fast food restaurants spray their food with formaldehyde. It's no secret. Like I've been woke on this stuff. I don't talk about a lot of stuff. Like they spray their food with formaldehyde to preserve it. A lot of your favorite fast food restaurants that you ate at yesterday, last night, the day before yesterday, last week, even when you go to the grocery store and buy vegetables, do you guys know some of those vegetables are sprayed with formaldehyde? They may not tell you this, but trust me guys, do your research. I'm not even telling you guys to take this information from me and just go with it. Do your own research on stuff. Just do your own research, because a lot of stuff is not good. Like even when you go to the store and something says organic, how you know it's really organic? Were you there with the farmer? Were you at the farmer's house when the farmer chopped up that chicken? No, you were not. So you do not know, unless you're going to buy your own chicken, buy your own cows, make your own hair products, that something is 100% organic, because it's not. Nothing. The makeup that we use, nothing is 100% organic unless you find 100% organic makeup line, which they do have. But even then, it's a label. How do I know that you're not lying? We don't. We just like to hear that something is all natural, organic. We don't know if it's really all natural, organic. And that's the thing with Eco Solid Gel, why I'm not going to stop using it, because of the simple fact that the other natural hair products that I use, they have chemicals in them. And I had seen a post on the Shade Room a few weeks ago where they were like, it was talking about how your favorite natural hairline, oh my God, they have chemicals in their products. They're not really natural. Are you guys asleep or what? Like, I'm so confused. Like, I'm not talking directly to you guys, but the people that were on that post, like, are you guys like asleep? Are you guys dumb? Like, I'm confused. Like, it's weird. Like, you guys are being weird. Like, nothing is 100% natural. This contour palette that I use today probably got so many chemicals in, I don't even know what they are, because I can't even barely pronounce them. That's the thing. A lot of stuff we can't even pronounce. Let's just be real. A lot of stuff we can't even pronounce. But you make sure you run to that Mac counter when Mac drop a new line, because I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna be up in that thing when they drop that Aaliyah line, and I know it's full of chemical, but I'm gonna put it all on my face. Like, I'm not being insensitive, because a lot of people on the post were saying like, oh, you know, the gel can cause hair loss, and I've been using gel since the beginning of time, since I could learn how to lay my edges and swoop my hair up into a bun. My edge is not going. But I do understand that some people are more susceptible to things. So if your edges are already like skating on thin ice, or your hair isn't the best, or you have skin irritation and things like that, then no, maybe you shouldn't use the Eco Solid Gel. You're right, you should not use it. If you already like lost your edges or going through something with your hair, don't use it. But I feel like for the people that ain't going through nothing and been using Eco Solid Gel their whole natural hair journey, and their hair is still bomb popping and flourishing, ain't gonna stop using it. So I don't know, it just kind of like annoys me. It don't annoy me, because I don't think it's nothing. It does annoy me, but at the same time I do understand, like, okay, yeah, bring awareness to it, but then it's like, we ain't gonna be eating nothing. We're not gonna be drinking nothing. Like the water we drink, how we know that's really filtered? How we know it's really filtered properly? How you know? How do you know? You can put stuff in water that's clear. It's clear. You don't even know it's in there. How do we know? We don't know. Most of the stuff we use is not 100% natural. Point blank period. Whether you want to believe it or not, I don't care. You can go to the farmer's market and buy all the vegetables and stuff in the world, but you don't know what that farmer sprayed on them vegetables before you bought it. You can clean them up. You don't know what type of steroids they shot up into the chickens. We don't know. The milk is all milk is contaminated. Then everything, milk, cheese, everything. Don't eat nothing. Then that's my whole thing. Like, that's my thing about the situation. Like, it's kind of like, are you guys not aware of this? Like, everything has bad stuff in it. Like, everything is cancerous at this point. Period. It is. Like, I'm being honest. That's how I feel. Like, I feel like everything is cancerous. Like, everything that we do on a daily basis, basically the air we breathe every day is polluted. You might as well think about it. Just really sit back and think about it. And I'm not being insensitive, I'm just being completely honest. Like, and it is sad, that, companies put stuff in it, but we eat it as well. Like formaldehyde is on a series, like a lot of food. Y'all Google it. Google fast food chains. They use formaldehyde. You eat it. We eat it on a regular. I'm not saying it's okay. I'm not saying it's right. But my thing is, don't complain about it if you gonna still eat all the other bad stuff. I'm gonna use it. Okay? I'm gonna use it. I'm just being honest. You know, another point I want to make. Even the stuff we eat and drink out of on a regular basis. Do you know if you refill your water bottle, if you keep refilling a plastic water bottle, that can be cancerous to you? Like, look up all the articles that can cause cancer. There's a ton. Kind of like every little thing we do is just not good for us. You know, every little thing. The medications you may take on a regular basis. Just some of everything can cause some of any and everything. Hair loss, this. I have a gel that is by a natural hair company. Okay? And it has those chemicals in it. So yeah. Let that sink in. Let it sink in. Yeah, and a long time ago, I don't know if you guys remember, like on my channel, I talked about sulfates and how, you know, everyone says sulfates are bad for your hair, and I kind of got caught up in that whole thing because the natural hair community made me believe I shouldn't be using sulfates on my hair and I shouldn't be shampooing my hair, and oh my goodness, if I shampoo my hair, it's gonna dry out and fall out. I use shampoo. I use it faithfully now. I'm like, this is too much. This is too much. Like, I cannot. Video is not even existing on my channel anymore because it's pointless. I'm gonna use the shampoo. I use it, and this goes for the Eco Styler gel. I'm gonna use it. I'm going to use it. I laid it with my edges today. Okay. But anyways, let me just go ahead and get out of here. But yes, leave your opinion in the comment section below. Let me know if you're going to continue to use your Eco Styler gel or you're not going to use it anymore. Just let me know. Any nasty comments or anything like that will be deleted and you will be blocked from this channel because I don't do negativity over here. I was just giving my opinion. Everyone has an opinion and can state their opinion. If you don't like it, you can exit stage left. Go ahead and get out of here. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.